beneath the earth runs a lifeline, carrying the energy that fuels our homes, industries, and every heartbeat of modern life. But a single unseen leak can change everything. A spark, a spill, a loss too costly to measure. These pipelines stretch for hundreds of kilometers across mountains and deserts, through cities and silence. Finding a leak in this vast network is like finding a heartbeat in the storm. It's there, but hard to hear. At Garuda Aerospace, we bring the unseen into view. Our drone fleet is equipped with multispectral imaging, infrared sensors, gas detection modules, and LiDAR. These systems detect temperature shifts, chemical traces, and emission signatures, pinpointing leaks even when they're invisible to ground teams. We begin with careful planning, flight paths along the pipeline, environmental data, and safety zones. The drone flies along the pipeline, continuously scanning and comparing live sensor data with baseline, healthy signatures, temperature, gas concentration, and structural health. When anomalies appear, a thermal spike, a spectral gas signature, a deformation, the system flags them instantly. We deliver GPS-tagged alerts, geolocated imagery, and diagnostic reports, precise to within meters. With Garuda's drone inspections, what once took days or weeks becomes minutes. We spot leaks early before they escalate, reducing cleanup and repair costs dramatically. We eliminate human exposure in dangerous zones, no boots on corrosive terrain, no manual sniffing in hazardous atmospheres. And we turn reactive response into proactive maintenance, constant surveillance, trending data, and early alerts. Oil, gas, the lifeblood of modern life. At Garuda Aerospace, we guard it with intelligence, agility, and vision. When a leak speaks, we answer, because protecting what flows matters most.